Hey, thanks for joining. In this tutorial, we will be making a revolve operation on a profile. So this will be quite simple tutorial, but just stay with me and we will see how it works. So the thing that we want to revolve today is a profile of a Christmas tree. So this one's quite fun. Let's go into OCCT shapes categories, into the wire, and here under the primitives, we will find this Christmas tree wire, which creates this vertical wire to us. You can control all kinds of parameters here for this component, but what we want to do is we want just to create half of the tree, and this will create the profile for us, right? And now when we have this, what we can do is just find this operation called revolve. Let's click it. And you see that by default, it just has this 360 degrees angle. I'm not exactly sure what the direction is by default, but let's create the vector to illustrate our situation better. So we will be using this vertical axis, and vertical is indicated by Y direction, right? This is standard for some game engines, and in bitbybit that's also the case. So we connect the vector to the direction, we connect the profile to this shape component, and on the screen we already see that we have this nice looking Christmas tree with just few components on the canvas. You can of course just create a skybox as we do usually. I skipped this step this time. And also maybe draw a grid mesh to just have something on the ground. And of course you can always draw and use special colors for your geometry by using this draw async component. So let's click this one, and let's also use OCCT shape simple options. These options allow us to change the color, so we just need to connect the output of the revolve command to the entity. And now we have to also connect these options here, and we're ready to change the color. So it should be green, right? Yeah, this is it. This is looking quite nice. And you can, of course, decide that you don't want to draw the edges, and maybe you also want draw directional light. This will make it look a bit nicer. And let's increase the intensity of the light to 3. You see that we automatically apply the shadows on the Christmas tree. Sorry to interrupt. In case you don't know me, I'm Matas, the founder of bitbybit. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I also want to offer you a small deal. Because you're watching this video, I assume that you're using bitbybit platform too. Here's the promo code that will give you a small discount to our silver and gold plans. With these plans, you gain access to our cloud infrastructure, 3D configurators, and other advanced features. Your subscription also helps me develop the content, such as this video that you're watching right now. It also helps me develop bitbybit platform and keep majority of its features free and open source to everyone. Your support means a lot to me. I hope you'll consider the offer, and let's continue with the video. So this looks quite nice. Another thing I wanted to show you really quick was the fact that you can also just use the full Christmas tree, so not the half anymore. And you can also just move it, for example, by using point XYZ. And let's just move it on the X direction 5 units. So let's see what happens now. And this just moved the profile right on the side, and we were able to create a ring that used this Christmas tree profile. To illustrate the point, we just need to show this wire. So what happened is now, we were using this vertical axis on the center. The profile was moved away a little, and it created this shape, which is not anymore the Christmas tree, of course, but you get the point that you can create all kinds of shapes by using these revolve commands. So just change the profile to a circle and you will get the torus. And this is it for the tutorial. This was quite simple, right? I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I hope you will watch other YouTube videos. Cheers!